way too far. He's gonna have hell stopping. There you go.
Oh! It's the second time that car's had that done.
Woo! That boy can drive, boy. Yeah.
I missed all that.
We're gonna send Hector out there to check that out.
Hey, somebody take him some toilet paper.
He's fine, he's moving.
That just happened.
That just happened. That's fucking horsepower right there, man. Yeah. Hey, has anybody got 4 tires? Look at the fucking wheels, dude.